Hello, I'm back. Welcome. I'm Glennceria and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands. So what we are going to do today is I have rose petals infused in different oils. So what we are going to do today, look at that, is strain them slowly. See the rose petals? These are actually rose petals from my own garden that I pick off of all of my rose bushes. Yep. So that means there's no chemicals on them. That means they are organic, which we love. I have jars. All type of jars. You can get them from the 99-cent store, Hobby Lobby, big box stores, Walmarts, wherever. Mason jars, right? I know they clean, but you can never be too clean. So we're gonna clean these again by spraying 91% alcohol in the tops and inside the jars. I can actually use these oils in many products, such as soaps, of course. You can also put them in butters, like body butters, lotions, creams. What else you can also put them in? You can make salves. I make a salve for wounds. Like as though it would be something like a neosporin. Somebody falls, a child falls, or you get a cut or open wound. Excellent for it. Rose petals. You want to talk about roses. Roses are excellent for rejuvenation of your skin cells. This also helps in healing wounds. I actually made a salve. You want to see it? For your hair, it's also excellent for your hair. So here they go. I believe these are, 2-ounce jars. So this is what it looks like. You see that? Isn't that beautiful? See that? Rub it in. Now, you asking, what do I put this on? Like you see now, I put it on my hands after I come out the showers or the bath. It is not, it will go in. It's not greasy. It might look like it, but it's not. Put it over on my face before I go to bed at night. I love it. I love it. So be on the lookout of that in my shop as well. Coming soon. In my Etsy shop, Glennceria Loving Hands. Take the S off a hand, right? We have jojoba oil. Rose petal and jojoba oil. Wow. Look how dark the petals got. So let's strain this out. So this label says rose petal and jojoba oil. I infused this May 13, 2020. 2020, May 13. And I gave myself a note that July 8th, I'm right on time, right? So let's strain this. We'll use this jar here. First, I have a piece of cheesecloth. Oh, just about almost perfect, right? All right, so we have here again, rose petals, my rose petals from my own garden, infused in jojoba oil. And it was infused May 13, 2020. Hold on to my tag. Oh, of course, homemade. Let's give it one more good old shake, right? Shake, shake, shake. Shake your groovy. Shake, shake, shake. Nice, 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 nice. That's goodness. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's straining very slow, but it's straining. It's getting there, you see that? So this is gonna take a while. In the meantime, between time, we'll put that one over to the side and go on to the next one, which is jasmine flower and jojoba oil. And I have 2 of those, and they small. So let's put that in this measuring cup, and I don't believe we wipe that down. So let's get this one cleaned off again as well. How's everyone doing today? I hope you're doing great. Did you go check out my other videos? I hope you did. When you finish with this one, go back and check out my other 2 videos that I have. I'm so happy to be here. So happy to share my knowledge with you and give you all my tips and tricks and show you what I've been doing all these years since 2014. You only need 1 filter. 1 filter. She'll do it. Okay, so we have jasmine flower. Let me take this off. Infusing jojoba oil. It's pretty though. Let's see what that looks like. Well, smells like. We already know what it looks like. Let me smell it. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Wow. Jasmine flowers. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. Wow. And I have 2 of those. So we'll open up the other one too. Let me just shake it. There's a lot of stuff at the bottom. A lot of the flowers and herbs at the bottom. Smell one. Wow, look at that. And this also has been infused since May 13, 2020 as well. Let's see how we're doing. Oh, slowly but surely it's going down. Wow. Let me wait till that goes down and put the rest in. Okay. They're working. Lifting up the cheesecloth so you can see it. That they are dripping. Can you see that? Of course you can. You see that drip, drip? Yep, there we go. Now you can take this and I can infuse it again. All I have to do is just take some more herbs, take this oil, put it back into another jar, put your herbs, fresh, these get thrown out of course. Put a fresh batch of herbs in and do it again for another 6 weeks or so, and it'll just make it stronger and stronger. Oh, let me show you this. Look at this. Now, I'm not going to empty this. All I'm going to do is continue to fill these with rose petals. This is my personal. I made that. So when you see little bottles like this, pick them up, guys. Pick them up. You never know. Beautiful gift to give to someone. Bottle, you hear me? Magic. This is magic in the bottle. This is what your skin is craving for. Rose petals infused with avocado oil. And I had infused this June 22nd. But like I said, I'm not taking anything out of this. If anything, I will be adding more rose petals to it from my garden. I just wanted y'all to see that. Right? Calendula petals infused in avocado oil. Wow. go. Okay, the cheesecloth. I need more cheesecloth. All I do is just cut a piece from it. Put that over to the side. Open it up. Where's my strainer? Oh, strainer, where did you go? Here I am. So, let's get our coffee filter. Put inside of it. As such. Everyone that's in my, just looking at this video right now, do me a favor. Comment and tell me where you watching this video from. I would love to know. Love, love, love to know. Did y'all see that? Beautiful. Calendula. Calendula petals. Another herb that's great for your skin that I can actually place into soaps and butters, body butters, and just all kind of goodness, you know. We're gonna leave that alone and let that strain. Nice. Yep, it's straining. Just gonna put the rest of it in. Can you tell me what do you want me to do with these oils? What would you like to see? Some salves maybe made? We can work on some salves after straining it. And probably making some more. Just maybe a few jars of salves. So y'all get a chance to see the process of that. I would be happy to do that for you, okay? Listen. Thank you for stopping by again. I appreciate it. Love you all. Thank you. Love always. From Glennceria Loving Hands. Mwah. Listen, I see you in the next video, okay? Enjoy yourself. And remember, don't forget to like, subscribe, share my video with your friends. Share my video. Because a lot of people do not know that Glennceria Loving Hands has finally made it to YouTube. And they're looking for me. So please, please share my video. Have a good day. Love you. See you in my next video, guys. Bye-bye.